Hi, Dr. Diaz again. We're here with Carla today. What we're doing is we're providing some adjustments. She was in a motor vehicle accident, so we do some soft tissue therapy, electronic stimulation, hot packs. At this point, we're at the adjusting part of the visit. So if you can sit up right over here, we're going to perform a neck adjustment first. So Carla, let me have you move just a little bit forward on the chair, un poquito para adelante, y luego recarga la espalda así para atrás, okay? Vamos a ajustar aquí arriba como normal. We're going to adjust right up here in the neck. We're on seat 2. Relax for me. Very good. Okay, same thing right in here. Relax for me. Very good. Okay, let's have you lay face down right here. Acuéstese boca abajo. Very good. We're going to adjust here in the thoracic spine as well. Breathe in all the way out. Very good. Relax right up here. Very good. Relax right up here. During a car accident, we get a lot of whiplash injury. So we have a lot of cervical thoracic muscle injury. So what we do is we get in here and we provide manipulation in the region to help with healing. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Very good. Set you right over here. Right here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Right here. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Excellent. You're set. Thank you.